Hello and welcome to your midday boost. Let's take a few minutes to energize ourselves after a really busy day or afternoon. Let's begin by closing our eyes and sitting back in our office chair or our couch if we're working from home, just anywhere where we can be comfortable during a hectic work day. Breathe in through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. Again, breathe into your nose and sigh out your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and sigh out your mouth in a nice audible sigh. We're just going to take the time to focus on the inhale and exhale of our breath. That's it. We're going to focus on the part right below our nose and above our lip. And we're just going to feel the warm air as we inhale our breath and feel the cool air as we let it go. Focus on that area below your nose and above your lip and just feel that breath as you inhale and exhale. At this moment, there's nothing on your to-do list. At this moment, you are able to just be. At this moment, you are enough. At this moment, you're able to understand that you are everything that you need to be at this moment. Take a few moments to just focus on your breath and tell yourself whatever positive affirmations you need to hear right now. Speak to yourself. Congratulate yourself. Remember the positivity within yourself. Let's begin. As we near the end of the practice, I just want you to remember as you go on with your workday that you are amazing. You are great at your job. You will not let anything bring you down today because you are powerful, you are worthy, and this break is all you needed to continue to slay the rest of the day. Have a wonderful day, and remember, you can always come back to that breath whenever you need just a few moments to yourself. Have a great day.